In this video, we'll walk through the real reasons Xbox One audio stops working through a TV and how to fix it step by step using proven solutions that actually work. Step 1. Check TV settings first. Before changing anything on the Xbox, the first thing to check is the TV itself. Many TVs automatically mute or lower volume when switching inputs. Sometimes the TV is set to output sound to external speakers or a soundbar that isn't connected. Make sure the TV volume is turned up, not muted, and that the correct HDMI input is selected. Step 2. Inspect the HDMI cable. Since HDMI carries both video and audio, a damaged or loose HDMI cable can cause sound to disappear while the picture still works. Unplug the HDMI cable from both the Xbox and the TV, then plug it back in firmly. If possible, try a different HDMI port on the TV or use a different HDMI cable. Step 3. Xbox audio settings incorrect. Xbox audio settings are one of the most common causes of no sound through the TV. On the Xbox, open Settings, go to General, then Volume and Audio Output. Make sure HDMI audio is selected and set to stereo uncompressed. If the console is set to bitstream out and your TV doesn't support that audio format, the TV will play no sound at all. Switching back to stereo often fixes the issue instantly. Step 4. Audio Setup Tool. Xbox One includes a built-in audio setup tool that helps detect output problems. In the Volume and Audio Output menu, open Audio Setup and follow the on-screen instructions. The console will play test sounds through the TV. If you hear the test audio, the issue is likely app-specific or temporary. If you don't hear anything, it helps confirm a connection or configuration problem. Step 5. Restart and power cycle. Temporary software glitches can also cause audio problems. Restarting the Xbox can clear these issues. If a normal restart doesn't work, perform a full power cycle by turning off the Xbox, unplugging it from the power source, and unplugging the TV as well. Wait a few minutes, then plug everything back in and turn it on. Step 6. Update the console. Outdated system software can sometimes interfere with audio output. Go to Settings, then System, then Updates, and make sure your Xbox One is fully updated. Microsoft regularly releases fixes for audio and HDMI compatibility issues, and installing the latest update can resolve problems that appeared after a recent change or crash. When nothing works. If none of these fixes restore sound, there may be a hardware issue with the Xbox's HDMI port or the TV's audio circuitry. At that point, testing the Xbox on a different TV or contacting Xbox support is the best next step. Hardware failures are rare, but they can happen, especially with older consoles.